Okay, paano nga ba i-simplify ang ganitong klaseng radical expression? Okay, ang gagawin mo lamang, tandaan mo lamang, example is square root of 2, ito ay equivalent sa 2 raised to 1 half. Dahil ang single number, merong exponent yun na 1, at ang atin namang square root ay merong automatic index na 2. Kaya, ang ating base 2, ito yung radical natin, 2, yun yung magiging base, 1 half naman ang exponent. 1 half. Okay. Example, square root of 3. Ito naman ang ating magiging base, yung radicand. 3. 1, 2. Kaya raised to 1 half. Another example, cube root of 5. 5 raised to 1/3. Ito ay 1. Paano naman to? Paano natin i-simplify ang ganitong radical expression na maraming radicals? Okay. Ito yung ating radicand sa loob. 2 raised to 24. Okay. Ang ating index dito ay automatic 2. Kaya siya ay mamumultiply sa 1 half. Okay. Then, mamumultiply ulit ito siya sa 1/3. Dahil meron tayong exponent, may index tayong 3. At meron pa tayo sa labas na 1 half. Okay. Then, what will happen? 2 raised to 24 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 24. Over 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 2, 12. Okay. Next, we have 24 divided 12. That is 2. Then 2 squared is 4. Therefore, the final answer is 4.